All right, if you've been here before, you know that I'm obsessed with effects plugins and I'm always showing what they sound like when I run my voice through them. But today we are going to be grown-ups and we're going to put the toy box aside and go to our utility box and check out some plugins to help us with mastering and mixing. We're going to look at Music Hack's Master Plan and Fuel. We'll take a little tour of the plugin and then I will test it out on my recent single, Do You Even Want It? When I first heard about these plugins, they were described to me as sound gooderizers. Basically, I was told they're very user-friendly. You can usually even just slap on a preset and be on your way, which I think is fantastic. But when I started diving into these plugins, I started to realize, no, these are legit professional plugins that you can really customize and dial in your sound with. Obviously, I will be putting Master Plan on the Master Fader in this session, but Fuel is a little more versatile. I think we should try it on vocals, maybe a couple instruments, but also maybe throw it on the Master as well and see what we can get. Let's do it. All right, here we are in the session. I've got my instruments on top, my vocals on bottom, and here is my very blank Master Fader, and we're going to go ahead and put Music Hack's Master Plan on there. There she is. Part of mastering is making your song louder, and you can't miss the giant loud knob, but do not abuse this or you will start getting some ugly sounding distortion. I don't know about you, but I have lately been mixing my songs kind of loud already. I think partly due to the fact that I use maybe some splice samples that are already loud, or with what I do for a living, Vocalist for hire, I often get sent instrumentals that are already mastered and super loud. So I've kind of naturally turned my limiters up a bit too much on my vocals. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So for me, I'm not gonna push this loud knob too much. I love that there's a stereo width knob. We have a very simple EQ here. You can target the lows, the highs, and with the mids, you can target the mid-mids, high mids, or low mids, which is very cool. And then there's these funky things right here. Thick is gonna affect your low end. Clean is going to affect your mid-lows, so clean up all that muddiness. Smooth is going to probably clean the higher mids, and calm is gonna cut down on that harshness. And you can double the calm to double the amount of frequencies that you're toning down. You can add a little bit of analog tape sound if you like. And then this multi-button is kind of like a multi-band compressor. I appreciate so much that it has a loudness meter right on the bottom. And there's one in Fuel as well. It's kind of weird to me that a lot of plugins don't even have that. We need a separate plugin to monitor our loudness. Like, duh, this makes sense, thank you. We got a young preset menu here. Quick master, suggested setting, true peak. Yeah, we can try some of these. Or we can get weird, maybe this is a little crazy sound. Maybe some people are using Master Plan as an effect. Why not? There should be no rules, okay? There are no rules. So I'm just gonna factory default this and play around a little bit as I play my song. I love that it blinks with the bass. All right.
Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful. Don't know the first thing about now you can't move that needle. Not trying to drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you're speaking all the evil. But I can't help you now. This ain't no hate on you, that could be great. And you keep making claims, is it really high stakes? Do you talk isn't weighted, but walking a race of fools. I don't think you really know what it takes to you. No, I know, I know, I know. No, I know, I know, I know. If your dreams don't keep you awake and your heart don't palpitate, do you even really, really want it? Do you even really, really want it? Who don't remember your name? Is it even pumping through your veins? Do you even really, really want it? Do you even really, really want it? Nobody gonna want it for you.
That's nice.
I really tried to tell you, if this sound like fighting words and I'm not heard. Leave message cause I am unavailable. My time for that is ghost. Look at me like I failed you. I see you slipping off my photos, but my hands are full of paper to avail you. Might keep this oxygen for myself this time. This ain't no hate on you, that could be great. And you keep making claims, is it really high stakes? Do you talk, is it weighted? But walking a race of fools, I don't think you really know what it takes to you. No, I know, I know, I know.
Okay, let's hear it real quick, just from the middle here somewhere. I will bypass it, turn it back on. That was pretty easy. I love the way it sounds. Let's try some of these presets just to see what they sound like. Again, my stuff is already kind of loud, so I hope that it doesn't distort it. It totally might. I should probably just turn off some of these limiters. But this is what the Quick Master sounds like. Oh, that's sick. The settings are pretty close to how I had it. That's awesome. Cool. That's pretty nice. Yeah, bouncing around these presets, I definitely get some different tone colors out of this. So yeah, song by song, you might choose different preset settings as a jump off point. Very cool. Let's try Fuel and see how that feels. Let's just throw it on maybe my lead vocal chain. Here is Fuel. We're about to pour some gasolina on this. Take a look, what do we have here? They've got the loudness meter for us right there. That's very nice. A similar look, we can make it loud right from here. Compression, OTT, bodies, like an upward compressor, crunch, soft clip. You can use this plugin as a sound enhancer, exciter, or a straight up saturation or distortion plugin. We are going to be nice to our vocal and not set it completely on fire. We'll definitely play with the bass, the thickness, but maybe let's start with just some presets. Here's the preset menu. Lovely, lovely. So we'll start on default. Let's just hear what it sounds like just when we put it on for the first time.
Nobody is my
Nothing.
equal. Nobody is my equal.
Okay.
May say they coming for me, but they won't, because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful. Ooh. Don't know the first thing about Now you can't move that needle. Not trying to drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you're speaking all the evil.
Woo, I like that. I'm not going to use that right now, but I want to use it later on as an effect for sure. We could definitely put a little baby bit of soft clip on this, but let's just hear what all the parameters sound like individually.
Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to that peaceful.
That's so tight.
Don't know the first thing about. Now you can't move that needle.
Too much.
Not trying to drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you're speaking all the evil.
I like the comp better.
But I can't help you now. This ain't no hate on you, that could be great. And you keep making claims, is it really high stakes? Do you talk, isn't weighted, but walking a race of fools. I don't think you really know what it takes to you. Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful.
That body slider is the ultimate sound gooderizer slider. Let me reset this. How about our bass and thickness?
Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful. Don't know the first thing about. Now you can't move that needle.
Okay.
Not trying to drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you're speaking all the evil.
Okay, I already know. I think my favorite way to set this is just a baby bit of soft clipping, a little bigger bit of compression and upward compression. I might even give it kind of a lot because I love it. Bass and thickness, not needed on vocals so much. We can even turn them off, but maybe we'll just leave them around the defaults. And then, yeah, this is what I think I like the best. I'm not really seeing a vocal intended folder of presets, but that hasn't stopped me before from trying them on vocals.
Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful. Don't know the first thing about. Now you can't move that needle. Not trying to drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you're speaking all the evil. Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful. Don't know the first thing about. Now you can't move that needle.
Dirty clean, yes.
I'm trying to drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you're speaking all the evil. But I can't help you now.
Who named these? Thickums, body, or is it booty? Is it booty or I think it's referring to the body slider. But anyway, let's try this on one of my instruments. Let's just throw it on the bass. I'm gonna bypass it at first and we're gonna solo it. Totally new sound. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Very nice. And then let's add this to the master fader. I feel like it's becoming more and more popular to add some like top end exciting and brightness to the master. And I think we will get that with Fuel, with just some light settings, everybody. Don't go crazy, don't go crazy. And let's see what we can do in combination with our master plan. Woo! I'm already loving it.
Nobody is my equal. May say they coming for me, but they won't, because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful. Don't know the first thing about, now you can't move that needle.
Oh shit.
Not tryna drown you, but I'm running circles round you while you speaking all the evil. But I can't help you now. This ain't no hate on you, that could be great. And you keep making claims, is it really high stakes? Do you talk isn't rated, but walking a race of fools? I don't think you really know what it takes to you. No, I know, I know, I know.
I like this.
I know, I know, I know. If your dreams don't keep you awake, and your heart don't palpitate, do you even really, really want it? Do you even really?
Alright guys, I'm happy. I love this. To be honest, yeah, I get how it can be just a sound gooderizer and you can just pick a preset and go with it. Or you can really spend some time on it and dial in your sound, as you probably should. But of course, we like to keep it moving, and if there is something that can save us time when we're mixing, we should be all for it so we can focus on making music. Thank you, Music Hack, for these super, super cool plugins. But I know you heard me saying something about my obsession with special effects plugins, so I definitely recommend to come check out this video next so you can hear what this sounds like when I run my vocals through it. Make sure you click subscribe and then click this, and I will see you over there.